Good morning, Oleski. One second. Node equals probably sourdough. It's probably gonna be sourdough. Let's be honest. Sourdough is the best bread. I don't even think that's open for debate. Sorry, my nose is really stuffy this morning. You're gonna hear me sniffling. Good morning, Joan. Joan Cena? Yeah. Yep. I took some allergy meds, so hopefully within like the first hour of streaming it clears up. But let's go to Vercel, because this should be working now. I just gotta go grab the production link. Song queue. That doesn't look right. Something tells me that's incorrect. Awesome. Vim. Let's go fix this. Well, actually, let's see what the CSS problem is here. This thing is way too big. I think it's the min width I put on here. Maybe. Flex grow. I really think it's that. Let's what's the best way to do this? Bun, run build, run dev. Slash song queue. Yeah, okay, so we have a local version of this we can dev against. So let's fix this CSS problem. All right. So it's got to be this. I think it's, I added the min and never tested it. Yeah. Maybe we throw this in a div. And in this div, we do something like class name, min width, I don't know, let's do like 8. 32 pixels. Let grow. Yeah, probably React Native. So really this should be 12. And we should do the same thing, min h 12. And then this would be full. That's not right. Why am I so good at CSS? Yeah, I think so. I thought the Monaco Grand Prix, I thought it was boring, but I think the outcome was really good. I'm glad Charles won. I'm stoked that Piastri got on the podium. Obviously, I wish Piastri would have won, but qualifying was pretty good. And then Indy 500 was also yesterday, and I'm gutted for Pato. All right, whatever. We're going to get rid of that. Get rid of this. And this is going to be change width. Let's do 8 to start. That's too small. Let's do 16. That looks pretty good. Maybe we can go to 14. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Yeah, okay, that's what we wanted. We just need to set the width. Okay, let's commit this, and it should deploy on Vercel. If we go to deployments, as soon as we kick this off, update CSS, git push that. Should see this pick up. Yep, there it is. That should deploy pretty quickly. Same, boring but glad for Charles. Yeah. Yep, I like Ferrari a lot, and I like Fred Vasseur a lot. So I'm super stoked that Charles got that win. All right, so that's deployed. Our production URL is here. If we go to song queue. All right, now playing is Baby Doll. That should be right. Let's look at our queue. Baby Doll, and then we should see dark red. Nice. Hell yeah. Okay, so now if I grab this URL, come over here, drop that in there, say okay. And if I request a song, oh, we'll listen to it. Not like us. Okay, so that got inserted in the queue, and now this should show us that next up is Kendrick Lamar. Let's go. Requested by me. Excellent. Is that on stream? It should be, because it's just a, yep. Let's go. It's pretty slick. Nice. Yeah, I don't know. What, do we... Song requests when I'm offline. I don't really care. If people want to waste their points, they can. And then this queue should work. Yep. Ooh, a day to remember. Let's go. I don't know. That's a good question. Yeah, go ahead and request a long one. See what happens. But let's quit out of this and go back into here. And let's... The queue size, what is this? Get out of that. Get out of that. Yeah, we did it. We did pretty much everything here. I think we even rebuilt the chance to win a keyboard, right? Yeah. Throwing more points to bypass the queue position. We could do that. Okay, so a couple things we could work on. We could keep making improvements to this, which, you know what? We can switch to the Moonlander. What? That's gonna be a no for me, dog. Bandhammer's coming out early this morning. Yeah, I can set up the Moonlander. So we can say good night to this sweet prince. Let me get OBS up here. All right, let's grab it. And we got the Moonlander, and it should be pretty much set up. It's just time to start actually practicing using it. All right, there's that. This is going to be rough for a little bit, chat, because I haven't used this a whole lot yet. Okay. Let me get organized here, and let me pull up my key bindings. I hit 80 some words per minute the other day when I was practicing. If I go to Oryx, my layouts, is this the most recent one? 22nd. Yeah. How do I get to my active one? Oh, I need to change that command. Here is my current. I gotta remember, I changed a bunch of stuff. Oh God. I put Glorious Pandas in it. Where did I put enter? Is that enter? That's not enter. I don't even remember where I put enter now. Enter's still at the same spot. Okay. Hey, run for your life. It's not so bad. Not bad. First go this morning. What up, you kids? I have I thought I had Witch Key installed. Let me go grab that because I do want that up on my other screen. I want to go to, what is it, ISA, Moon. There is a tool. Training. What is the name of that software? They have some software here. I had it on my right thumb, but I ended up not liking it. Where is that piece of software? They have like a witch key thing that I was keeping up on my other computer. No, it was an app I downloaded, but it was definitely from. It was definitely from. Key map, that's what it was. I guess that installed. Okay, yeah, here we go. Oh, that's very, very good. Oh, it's because I have Oryx connected in the browser. I thought that would be it. Let me try unplugging it and replugging it in. There we go. All right, I'll keep this up on the other screen. Here's my layers. Like, I'm pretty happy with my layers. So like if I go into Hopper, Hopper is like kind of my system layer where I can like move around. I can use arrow keys. I can change volume. I can go next song. I can take a screenshot, open mission control. I can move my window around. I can also get into Hopper by using my pinky on the other keyboard. And then I can like move a window around, right? Like I can be like boom, 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 boom. Do stuff like that. And I can go into Turing, which is this layer. I can get symbols over here, right? I need to memorize these symbols because I definitely don't have them memorized. But if I go into Turing here on my left pinky, I have my brackets all right there. I have my quotes right there. Snake case equals on my pinky. I like having this symbol layer. It's really nice. I can get the raycast really quick. What else? Church is just my numpad. I had this button as my enter, but I ended up not liking it very much. That I moved back to, it was easier to use my pinky here than here. Like it was making my forearm more tired reaching for enter at this position than it was hitting my pinky, which is almost like naturally right there. How many fingers do you actively use that way? What do you mean? All right, so when I go into Turing, I need to memorize percent at. This is going to take me so long to remember. All right, let's try another monkey typer. All right, here we go. $66, that's not bad. I feel like that's pretty good. Yeah, I'm not ready for the symbols. Okay, this seems like it. Okay, no, it worked. It resized okay. We can also. Okay, so programming wise, we can keep adding things to our Twitch bot. We can do something like rustlings or zigglings, probably rustlings. Or we can go back and we can revive. At some point, we need to go and revive my playlist transfer tool and rewrite this in OCaml and Riot. And rewrite this guy. The hell is this? Why am I tagged on this issue? That feels like a bug. I like the columnar layout. I actually think I will get much faster with the column layout than normal. Could work on Chronos. Yeah, that's actually a good look. I should let's add that capability. Let's see if there's a way to I guess that would be under here and then here. Oh god, this is so weird. That's not my control button. Oh god, this is so weird. Okay. We want to go and we want to look for this guy right here, and we want to see if there's anything on this for going online and offline. On stream, offline. Is there an on stream? Whoa. Oh god. On stream online. Okay, so we would need a piece of global state. I wonder if we can just the other way we could do this is like maybe in the API, we could be like, let me see if I have anything in here. Client dot online. Extension moderation, subscriptions. It feels like we should have like a users. Oh, here we go. Users dot active, get active. No. Okay, I can move this to the left by doing, what is my keybind? Is it this? Yeah, there we go. And we want to go to the Twitch developer docs. Oh God. Oh yeah, hoppers on my thumb. There we go. Maybe. Let me try that. Oh gosh. That could potentially work. And let's say, do we have the config in here? We don't, so let's get that. Let's just see for now. Well, I guess we can do this and come in here and that we can just say like, oh gosh. Oh gosh. Where's my backspace? If I go into my symbol layer, there we go. That's what I wanted. Let's just say foobar. We'll format that. Go back to the beginning of the line and we'll say const x equals k on that, a helix streamer null. Let's do something like, is that on my pinky? Okay, so that didn't do anything. So let's get rid of that. Where is my exclamation point? I think it's on my pinky when I do this. Yeah. Oh, maybe I do want to put that back on my thumb. I can't decide if I like... I don't know what I want to do with that. I could make that enter. Set a tab and then just tab at the normal spot. So let's just say this is now, rename that, and that'll be stream. Yeah, I don't know if I like, let's try remapping that. Let's say this is gonna go back to dark. Let's swap keys here. Let's say that's gonna become that. And then we can say this will become enter. And we'll make this right control. Right control. Even though I have that there, just to have. I don't know what I'd want to put there. Come on. So can you easily type with 10 fingers on the new keyboard, or what system do you use? I mean, I think I use all of my fingers. Yeah, I definitely use all of my fingers. I basically used all of my fingers on my old keyboard too, except for like, I didn't use my right thumb a lot. All right, so now we have enter there. Let's see if that feels any better. So then we can do something like that, delete that. All right, let's see what our stream has on it. Stream dot, oh, that's a promise. Okay, so sure, we'll do dot then, and we'll go into there, and we'll get S, and then we get, what's on my symbol layer? How do I need which key? Connect. It's on my pinky. So this is gonna be that. All right. And then we go there. S dot, no. Is there live? No. The time when the stream started. So I guess this would not even come through. This would probably be null. Okay, let's try that. So we save that and we go to you can go to pub sub, and here if we come in here, song request, I guess that would actually be more in up, whoops. Oh God, where's my control? All right, I have a control, I have two different controls. One's on Z and one's on that. Probably like that. But I'd have to go into Hopper, there we go. All right, we wanna go there. And in here, I think we will want on song request, actually on either of these, right? I don't even know where my star's at. Star is middle finger up. So if I go into this layer, there we go. And this will be API client. We don't want that. What's the issue here? Oh, that's the wrong import. It should be Twitch API client, then I can import that. Yeah. All right, and then down here, we have that. So in here, when we get a redemption, we can do a check. Const is live will be equal to api.use, and we can drop into there. So actually just, it's gonna be client, and then that'll be starting to get this, and then it'll be that, no, and it's my straight down, yeah, API dot streams dot get stream by user ID, go into there, that'll be config dot broadcaster ID, and to go into symbols, oh wait, I guess I can use async await in here, huh? And in here I would just be like client dot streams. It's kind of ugly, but this would be config dot broadcaster ID. Back to the beginning of the line. Thank you for the follow. Man, I am struggling with this keyboard layout. Go back and rename this client again. I don't think I can throw from in here though. I think I'm not supposed to throw inside sync, which this can definitely throw. What is the right way to do this? I could always just catch on it. How do I change? There we go. Good morning, Trash. How are you? Effect. Oh God. Yeah, that's what I thought. Good, I just started using my Moonlander on stream for the first time, and we're struggling a little with it, but it's okay. We're getting through it. Maybe we don't do this in here, and instead we do... I need my keyboard back up. There we go. All right. It's really awkward now to jump through diagnostics. That's one thing I don't like, is if I have like an error here, and let's just say I have another error down here. I don't know. And to go through my diagnostics, my hotkeys are brackets, like these brackets, and then E or D. But I have to be like, boom, that didn't even work. There. It's like awkward. It's 3 key presses. I don't love that. So my old keyboard, it would have been, how would I have done that? It would have just been Shift E, Shift E, Shift E, Shift E. Here it's awkward. Unless I do, that's not so bad. But then I can't get to, Be nice if I could. I need to figure this out. I need to figure out this layout because that's an important thing for me, is being able to I could put them here, like if I go boom. How do we want that? Turing is my symbol layer, Hopper is like my system layer, and arrow keys. So I can like change the song. I can go to mission control. I can take a screenshot. Turing is the one I use a lot because it's my symbols. And then the problem is my Vim keybinds is like, if we look for keybinds, we go in here and then we look for, I don't know, what are we going for? Diagnostics. These are the ones that's throwing me off right now. Specifically these two that I use all the time. Because there's not an easy way for me to hit my square bracket and then like just say that and that. I go to Turing, I hit that and then that. It's just awkward and it's very prone to fucking up. Like I can't even. It's almost like I need it to be, if I did something like replace this with star. I could do that. If I did something like, let's take these. Actually, that's the wrong set. Let's take these. Yoink those. Paste that in there. And let's say we make this when we're in here and I do let's say this becomes, oh no, I don't know what I just did. Did I delete? I did. Yoink that, paste that. Actually, no, one more time. We'll say, where are my diagnostics? They end here. We'll say, what do we want to call this? Moonlander diagnostic movements. I don't know what's going on with my LSP there. Now let's go up here and grab, let's start with these. Yoink those, 25 down, throw that in there. And now let's just say this is gonna become that. And what would feel natural to go to the next? I press this. Let's say R. I guess that would be star. And then to go to the previous, it would be something like that. If we did that, let's try that. I'm so slow at this. Can't type my password with that on screen. That will still give it away. That blur's not good enough. Okay, so now if we go back to here, if we do a right quit and reset and clear, and we go back into Vim, and we go to, that was not the right keybind, it's that, space shift that, space shift that. I don't even think I can get there. Oh, that's shift. This is so hard. So what would it be? That's what I wanted. I had to use my Mac keyboard to get there. So in here we should get errors. And now my error thing I should be able to go boom, boom. There we go. Look how nice that is. And now I can jump back through my diagnostics. That's pretty nice. I do like that. Let's try that one more time. I don't know why it's highlighting words. There's obviously, oh, it's the star. Frick. It's not perfect. This might need to be no recursive. This might just need to be nmap instead of no recursive. I think I might want it to be recursive. Anyone remember what the difference between these is? I always look at the same Stack Overflow flow thread for this. It just doesn't follow other key maps. Damn, okay. So part of the problem right now, chat, is if we go here and we just caused a error. Let's just say we put an error right here. And then let's put like another one, I don't know, right there. And I go into my layer to do I do that and that. I have to be over here, right? Like that works pretty well. Oh, it's as long as I hold it, it feels okay. It's not highlighting things as long as I hold it. Oh, now it highlighted. At some point, it's highlighting things, and I don't want that to happen. And it highlights things because of the star, right? So if I were to just come in here and star, I can like jump through. And that's happening because, let's come and make more errors. That's an error, that's an error. Go back to the top. Now it feels like it's fine again. Oh, it's as soon as I... What is that? It is a moon lander. So the keybind, I want... How did we end at, like... Yeah, we got to do something else. Rather than... maybe we just use our pinky or our pointer. This will be that. Replace that with this. I can't decide if I like the enter on my thumb like that. I got a blur again. I do like it split. I just gotta like get my key maps down, especially for programming. Because that one I was just on is very weird. So Vim, we go back into here, space shift. That's not right. Space shift question mark. Still not right. Nope. There we go. All right, let's just make an error here. And let's make another error like here. Go back up to the top. Now I should be able to hold this and... Nope, that didn't work. If I hold Turing and I do... Nope. That does not work. Unless I didn't get the... Well, let's try one thing yet. And then we say space. I can't get that. Space. Nope. Yeah, that's not gonna work. That doesn't work at all. Oh, man. I don't know if I like that church there either. I could make that go to like a Vim layer that has specialized keybinds. And then if I really wanted to go to like a number pad layer, I could like toggle it on there. Let's try that. Okay, I have some ideas here. Let's say this is like to toggle. We want this to toggle a layer. Toggle. Switch to the given layer, tap this key to return to the... Yeah, I think that's what we want. Layer tap toggle. If you hold the key down, no. I think we want this one. And it's going to take us to church. And we'll just label this as church. And then this one will be Brahm instead. So let's say this takes us to Brahm. RIP. And then on here, this will be our Vim layer. And on our Vim layer, let's say we want to, what are the things we care most about doing on our Vim layer? We want to switch diagnostics. That's hard right now. Brahm. All of my my layers are named after like influential CS people or people from the software engineering. So Alan Turing, Grace Hopper, Alonzo Church, and Brahm Moonlener. And if you look at who Brahm Moon, how do you say his last name? I don't know how to say his name. Brahm Moonlener. He's the guy that made Vim. He passed away last year. Good morning, Winnie. Good morning, Pops. What's up?
I forgot to say it was Monday. I rolled over and went to snuggle you and you weren't there.
Rip.
I was really sad. I might Instacart groceries again.
Okay.
So if you help me make a list as to what we need, I'll put that in.
Okay. I will later.
Okay. Love you.
You do. So the things I want to do from this layer is...
Are you going to stay? You can stay.
You're right, I should. Wow, this is not going to let me click. Where's my, what is it, command? Where's my command? I don't even know where my command's at, chat. Command A. There we go. It's so hard. Switching to this keyboard. So on this layer, we want to go to next diagnostics. Where do we want that to be? So let's say I want this to be a hold. Church is Alonzo Church. Alonzo Church. He created lambda calculus. And yeah. So when we're on this layer, let's just say we have ooh, I could make this the same thing. That would be nice and layer. Whoops, let's go home. And this will be layer. When held. Yeah, right. Why can't I find the right activate layer when held? That's what I want. Why is this so hard to find? Activate layer. Oh, because I did not held. Right. Right. There we go. Okay. So now when we're on Brahm, what are the things that are going to be important in here? It'd be nice to be able to like quickly jump through up and down. So let's map on this layer. I want this to be, this is going to be a macro that says U or D, but with a control. And this will be is there a down arrow? I want a down arrow. Yeah, that's what I want there. I don't even know where my, grab that. Damn it, I just copied again. And then Command V, down page. Do I have a command on my right? Yeah, I do. It's right here. Okay. And then we'll do the opposite, where this will be up a page. Fucker. Tap, this will be a macro that goes, sends the U key with a control. And then we'll say, paste that in there, and we gotta go grab the up arrow. Grab that. Yeah. I like that. I don't know what Colmac DH is. I don't know what that means. I see people talking about it all the time, but that seems like a lot. And then we want to be able to go through diagnostics pretty easy. So how do we want that to work? Let's say this will be that. And then it'll be an E. And this will be next error. And this will be previous error. In fact, we should just make this diagnostic rather than errors. Next, diagnostic. And this will be the opposite. This will send a that. What? Done. And then E. And this will be prev. Diag. We need to fix this. This needs to be a D. All right, that should work pretty well. Let's see if that works. There's probably a bunch of these that we can make much nicer. So now let's go cause an error. So let's just like get rid of that. And then let's also like get rid of this comma, and we'll go to the top. And now I should be able to, yeah, look at that. I can go through my diagnostics super easy and super fast. And I can also go up and down really fast. I like that. That's pretty nice. That's pretty nice. Okay, I'm a fan of that. That's a pretty good keybind. All right. What is wrong in here? We can go look. Yeah. All right, I'm starting to get this down. I'm starting to get this. All right, what did we say we were doing before I got distracted with not being able to go through my diagnostics? We were trying to prevent redemptions from happening if stream is not started. So we probably want like a where would we want to do this? We need a way to query my stream status. Or we need like a piece of state whether I'm live or not. I'm trying to think about where I would want to put that. Where would that belong? Have you used any other effect systems? No, I have not. We might get into using some effects with Camel. I think we're going to start working on this again today. I know Camel has a new effect system which got some nice new stuff in 5.2. Maybe it's on the Camel forums. Let me go see if I can find the that's a good I can't do it through Twitch like that, but I could. How do I get out of this? Command Q. Okay, yeah. It's my normal ones. So if we go there, okay, I can do that. Search for file. Let's see here. It's under subscribers and then song request. And in here we have our Twitch client, so we can easily figure out if so we can say you do something like Twitch. We would need to do yield and then star Twitch dot use, and this would be API space. Oh, that's not what we wanted. Where's my equal sign at? I think my equal sign is right there. Nope. Equal signs. Nope. That's not it. Where's my equal sign? Is it? There we go. And then my arrow. Where's my arrow? I don't even know where my arrow's at. If I go to Turing, it is my middle finger, down one. So if I go there and do that, yep, there we go. API dot streams dot hitting periods kind of hard. Dot. Why is that taking me to another layer? That doesn't feel, oh, I'm hitting the way wrong thing. Dot get stream by user ID, and then we want config dot broadcaster ID. And now we can go to our next error, right? Cannot find name config. Oh, because it's Twitch config. Twitch config. D2. I'm so bad at hitting period. And then we want to do like a dot pipe, yeah. And we can do effect dot from nullable. So bad. From nullable. Oh, we need to go back to here. And in here. This needs to be effect dot and then. Away. Why didn't that work? There we go. And then we want to do something like effect dot catch. It might be thundering. I think it is storming. It also might be Justine coughing. Catch if, catch all. How does catch work? Yeah, it's definitely thundering. Discriminator. It always needs a discriminator, so we don't want that. So we'll do a catch all and throw in catch all, and then we'll just return false. Boolean. Oh my god, this is so hard, chat. I feel like I'm not doing bad with the keyboard, but like it's definitely it's difficult. I I think this can be, can I just throw in Boolean here? Okay. That seems reasonable, right? So we call get streamed by user ID if I'm streaming. Like this can't return an error, can it? Let me return that. Delete more back. Yeah, it never returns an error. Perfect. So then we'll say something like if not, where's my it's on my pinky. If not is streaming, we'll say something in return. In here, we'll say something like yield where is my, okay, so that is my pinky finger or my pointer finger? No, middle finger. Middle finger is star. We got to remember that. Middle finger is star. Middle finger is star. Yield, and we want to publish. We have our pub sub, right? Pub sub dot publish, and throw in that. And then we need to make a message dot send Twitch message, send Twitch chat. And the message will be